Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you through a simple step to pay your credit card bills using this app CIBC. It is very fast and it is very easy and it is very convenient. So let's get started. First you have to download this CIBC application on your mobile phone, and after the downloading your CIBC app you have to follow these instructions. Make sure you have downloaded the latest version for a smooth experience. Uh, you have to log in into your account. After login, you will be landed to the home page on your screen with your full account details. Now, find the menu on the left hand side of your screen and select bill payments. So you have to select bill payments from the menu. This is where everywhere will handle everything related to paying your credit cards. So like if you have paid this credit card using it will already appear on the list of your page. Is just select it if this is not your first time. If this is your first time, tap on the add pay at the bottom of the screen, search for your credit card account and confirm the details, and you are all set. You can even give it to a nickname to make it easier to find later. So yeah, now in this step you have to add your payment details, like add amount you want to pay, select the amount you are transferring from, choose the payment date. If you would like, you can even set this as a recurring payments, weekly, monthly, or whatever works best for you. Now in the final step you have to review and confirm the payment. Like review all the details carefully, the amount, the pay, and the account you are transferring from. If everything looks good, tap on the submit button, and after clicking on the submit button you are done. Your payment is successfully has been debited. You have successfully paid your credit card bill using the CIBC application. This was very simple and easy. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, and thanks for watching.